Hello. Antoine's not around or whatever at the moment. Yeah, and it. I'm gonna box some trash. We're gonna make some art, do some projects, whatever. Yeah, let's do some art, whatever. Yeah. You came back. Thank you. Welcome to Unboxing the Trash. I'm gonna turn some trash into art today. If this is your first time here, Unboxing the Trash is a show where I take all of the projects that I never finished and I finish them so they're not taking up space in my closet. Today, I painted a briefcase. So we're just gonna quickly look through these and decide what we want to do. I like old oak tree. I like that idea. Winter paradise is cute, even though I said I didn't want to do pastels. Ooh, change in season. Hidden delight. Ooh, Mr. Ross. Valley View. Serenity Now. Do you guys know that episode of Seinfeld? You know, I really like what Valley View is serving, to be honest. Oh, technology. Wow. You know what? That was so special. I'm just going to leave it in.
Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 21st Joy of Painting series. If this is your first time with us, let me extend a personal invitation for you to drag out your little paint brushes and some paints and paint along with us.
Bob Ross just told me to drag out my little paint brushes and paint along, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so obviously because this is a 27-minute show, I'm not getting this done in 27 minutes. So I'm gonna be starting and stopping, chatting with you, having a good time, digital storytelling, get into it. Okay, so I've dragged out my little paint brushes. Tell me what to do, Bob.
Drag up the old easy chair and enjoy a relaxing half hour as we place some of nature's masterpieces on canvas. And for those
as we place some of nature's masterpieces on canvas, okay? I'm sorry, that's just setting my soul on fire. Hello, welcome to the time lapse. This is my favorite part. I'm gonna be doing some painting here. I sanded down the surface with, I don't know, 0.3, 3.7, 7 point, some sandpaper. It was sandpaper, I didn't even look when I bought it. Got it as smooth as I could, but that wasn't smooth enough. I'm forcing that paint into that surface as hard as I can. It was not easy or pleasurable, but I accepted this challenge, assuming that I couldn't paint very well. Like I've never had to paint outside of school before. Like this is the first time I've decided to buy some paints and paint a thing that I intended on being beautiful and not just doing it for a grade, because like what else are you gonna do? Anyways, it was a challenge and I enjoyed it. It came out a lot better than I thought. This painting taught me a lot about myself. I know you can enjoy things without being good at them. I know you can get better at things if you just try instead of worrying about how bad you are. Also, I'm sorry about the time-lapse angle and speed. Art making on YouTube is new for me. It's gonna be a learning curve, but trust me, it's only gonna get better, all right? So keep coming back. Thank you for watching. And yeah, stay tuned for more fun bullshit like this. Oh, there he is. And we're back. I have my case. What I'm gonna do now is seal it with some acrylic finisher. Hopefully that works. And then I'm gonna paint my little border, my yellow border. I finished. It is kind of attractive. I'm looking at the monitor in my camera and I'm a little impressed with myself. It goes to show, if you follow instructions, you can get a lot done. But, you know, It also goes to show that people like Bob Ross are golden, they're angels, they're icons sent to teach us their iconic ways, okay? That's all I have to say. I want to try again with oil paint and a canvas and like actually do what Bob Ross is doing. You know what? He has a paint kit. So maybe I should get that. Maybe even dress up like Bob Ross and just strive to be just like him.